Okay, so what do you see on the screen right now?
Ma'am, shapes.
Ma'am, a rectangle.
Shapes, a rectangle, and we have circle, triangle, and
shapes.
also, right? So here, this rectangle is a piece of land. Okay, this is a piece of land, and अगर हमें ये पता लगाना है कि इस piece of land का space कितना cover हुआ है, तो किसी को कोई idea है कि वो कैसे find करेंगे?
Ma'am,
yeah.
we'll put squares.
We'll put squares. Okay.
Now you can use a square grid.
Okay, right. So can anyone tell me कि square ही क्यों? Circle या triangle क्यों नहीं?
And because they don't tessellate.
Okay.
And because they don't match.
They don't match. Okay, right. So what will I do here? We have here and first I'll put circles here. ठीक है, मैं circles इनमें fit करने की कोशिश करती हूँ कि देखते हैं हम क्या ये circles उस space को cover कर पा रहे हैं. So this is a circle. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so this is a circle. I am putting it here. Then one more circle next to it. One more circle. And मैं ऐसे ही circles को यहाँ पे अगर बार बार insert करती रहूं, so यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है? Is the space totally covered?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No. क्यों ऐसा क्यों हुआ? Because जो ये सर्कल है, जब हमने इसको यहाँ पे पुट किया तो यहाँ पे देखो ये येलो पोर्शन जो है, इट शोज कि वो जो स्पेस है वो पूरा कवर नहीं हो पाया, राइट? सो दैट मीन्स हम सर्कल्स को यहाँ पे पुट करके स्पेस फाइंड नहीं कर सकते. इफ आई ट्राई ट्रायंगल हियर, ट्रायंगल्स में क्या हो रहा है? सेम थिंग. अगर मैं यहाँ पे एक और ट्रायंगल पुट करती हूँ एंड देन वन मोर ट्रायंगल, इसमें भी यही बात हो रही है. क्या कुछ और ऑप्शन है जिससे मैं इस स्पेस को कवर कर पाऊँ?
Now you can flip it.
Ma'am, square.
Then also, yes, square is the option. If you are Tejas is saying that if we'll flip it, then it will be possible, but it won't be possible here also क्योंकि वो ढंग से space cover नहीं हो पाएगा. यहाँ अगर हम try भी करेंगे तो भी space में कहीं ना कहीं problem होगी. ये देखो ये वाला portion covered नहीं हो पाएगा यहाँ पे भी, right? So अगर हम square, now we will put squares and अब हम check करेंगे कि square को put करने से क्या होगा. So I am putting squares here. ये देखो, when I am putting squares, the space is totally covered. यहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी ऐसा space नहीं है जो covered नहीं हुआ, right? So that means when we have to find the space of a particular area, the space of a particular region, that means if we have a rectangle and we have to find the space, we need to see how many squares are fitted in that area. Okay? So that means अगर हमें इस rectangle का space find करना है, so how many squares will be fitted in this?
8.
8. Right. यहाँ पे 8 squares होंगे. और जो ये square है, जो हम ये squares ले रहे थे, यहाँ पे हमने जो squares रखे हैं, ये squares के dimensions क्या होंगे? 1:1. Okay, it is 1:1. That means 1 का यहाँ पे this square has 1 unit and 1 unit. So ये जो square है, आप सबको पता है कि square की 4 sides equal होती है. अगर ये side 1 unit है, ये भी 1 है, ये भी 1 है और ये भी 1 है. It means कि ये जो square है, ये 1 dimensions का है और ऐसे ही हमें 8 squares चाहिए. If we have 8 squares like this, then we can find the total space covered by this rectangle. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now we'll move to the next step. Here we can see we have we have 2 rectangles given, right? This is one rectangle whose dimensions are 4, 3, 4, 3, and the other one is 5, 4, 5, and 4. So here, what will I do here? I'll just share a screen, another screen with you. Okay, so is that visible to you all? ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
In this first grid, I am putting a rectangle. This is a rectangle, and now we have to find the space covered by this rectangle. Who will tell me? If we have to see how many squares will be covered.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
ma'am, 2. Ma'am, 2 and 4. 2 squares will be
Okay, so you are telling me the dimensions, that its dimensions are 2 and 4. But I am asking कि ये जो rectangle है, इसका space कितना cover हुआ है? So अगर आपको ये मुझे बताना है तो
4 square in it.
8
square.
8 squares.
yes, it's
8 squares.
8 squares, and we will write 8 square units. 8 square units क्यों लिखेंगे हम? 8 square units. ऐसा इसलिए because
it is taking 8 blocks of squares.
yes, because we are using 8 blocks of square, so that means 8 square, and units are used because यहाँ पे 4 तो है, but 4 मीटर भी हो सकता है, सेंटीमीटर भी हो सकता है, और कुछ और यूनिट भी हो सकता है. So I am using 8 square units. Now we can check it also. Suppose अगर हम यहाँ पे इतना बड़ा हमारे पास रेक्टेंगल है, तो आपको क्या लगता है इसका कितना स्पेस कवर हुआ है?
4 by 5.
4 by 5 are dimensions, but I am asking the space.
20.
20 square
20
squares. That
20
means
square units.
right, 20 square units. That means if I put the squares like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, I have to put 20 squares in it. Correct? Now the one more question. I have one more question. I was talking about squares, right? कि हमें space cover करना है तो कितने squares होंगे? But suppose I have this rectangle, और आप सब can anyone tell me what is the dimension of this rectangle?
Ma'am, 2 and 5. 2 and 5.
This is 2. This is 5. Now I want to fence this rectangle. Okay, I want to know the length of the boundaries. Only the boundaries. So what do you think? What will be the length of the boundaries of this rectangle?
20. Ma'am, 14.
Okay, I got the answer 14. So can you explain, Tejas, 14 कैसे आपने बताया इसका answer?
Ma'am, because 5 the one length of the rectangle is 5, then the other length of the rectangle will also be 5.
Yes.
And the same thing will happen with 2 also. So we will add 5 plus 2 plus 5 plus 2. Then
Yes.
we will get the answer as 14.
Yes. So if we have to find the length of the boundary, so we need to add all the lengths. That means if we have 5 here, 2 here, 5 here, and 2 here, so 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 2 is 14. That means the total length of the boundaries is 14, right? Any doubt till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, Apurva ma'am will continue with the next activity. Ma'am, please unmute yourself here.
Yes. Okay, so I think a lot of people came in late, so I'll just summarize what we did till now. Okay, we were trying to find the space covered by a rectangle, or if it's a square portion, or if we want to put fence around it. Okay, maybe we can have a kitchen garden, maybe we can have our own dollhouse, maybe we can have our own farm, and we have to put the fence around it in order to secure it, in order to make it safe from any outsider. Okay, for fencing we need the length of the boundaries, total length of the boundaries, all the 4 boundaries, and we call it perimeter. Okay, and there can be 4 boundaries, 5 boundaries, the total length, and when we find the length of the boundaries, it is called perimeter. When we find the space covered by that portion, that area, that is called the area. Okay, there is a region. Okay, let's say Mishka is sitting in her drawing room now, and we have to find the space covered by that drawing room. Okay, so what we will do, we will find the length of that rectangular room, we will find the breadth of that rectangular room, and then we will multiply them. That's how we will get the area. Is that right, Mishka? Okay. Yes, we can do it for different shapes. Okay, right now we are trying to do it for squares and rectangles. Now I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show you something very interesting which you can also practice after this session. We'll share the links with everyone and everyone can practice multiple questions. Okay, let's start. If anyone has any doubt, they can raise their hand. I'll definitely come back to them once I'm finished. Okay, so let's start with this. Yes. So I have a area builder here. Okay. There are two lengths in the area. One is the length and one is the breadth. Okay. I have two dimensions. Dimensions means one length and the other length. Okay. Because we know in square, all the four dimensions are equal. So that is this side multiplied by this side. In rectangle, length is different, breadth is different. So we multiply by length and we multiply by breadth. Okay. Before I start, I just wanted to give a reminder to everyone that we have done a very interesting thing in our class, which is called the area model of multiplication, in which what we did was we found the multiplication product using the area. Today, we are going to do the reverse. We will use multiplication because I know every kid is very confident in multiplication now. So we are going to use the multiplication to find the area. Okay, is everyone ready? Should we start? Okay, I am going to drag this shape and I have made a rectangle which is side 5 and the other side is 7. We clearly can see that the area covered by this rectangle is 35 square units. Each and every square has a number written on it, so we don't even need to count the squares. Okay, we can directly see 35, and we also know 5 multiplied by 7 is 35. Okay, and as Simran ma'am clearly told us that we are going to write the area as 35 square units. Units can be meter, centimeter, kilometer, millimeters, anything. Okay, with perimeter we will just write the units. Okay, all the lengths you add and the units. Okay, let's say this is the picture. Okay, who is going to tell me what is the perimeter of this rectangle, the total length of all the four boundaries? If you know the answer, you can type it in the chat. The first one to type, I'll check their answer. Everyone can type in the chat. Let's see who gets it first.
Ma'am, 24.
24. Tejas said 24. Somebody else also said 24. Arna said 24. Okay, okay. Yes, who else? Let's see if we have a different answer. 24. Okay, we have 4 students with 24. Sia 24, Mishka 24, Krishank, Achyut, Arihant. Any different answers? Tejas, I've got your answer. 24. I've got it 3 times. Pranav has given 24. Krishank 24. Anyone else? Achyut 24. Okay. So everyone knows how to find the area and the perimeter. Okay. This was super easy because I dragged the rectangle. I made a rectangle and you could clearly see the number of squares. And I am going to hide this now. Who is going to tell me the perimeter of this picture? It's a square with both all the 4 sides to be 8. It's a square. Who is going to tell me quickly the perimeter of this picture, this shape? You have to use multiplication. There's a very small trick.
Tejas, Mishka.
Mishka, Tejas, 32, 32. Who else? Atharv, 32. Very good, Atharv. Atharv just came and answered correctly. Who else? Achyut, 32. Pranav, 32. Krishank, 32. Sia is still calculating, I can see. Any other answers? So should I tell you the trick? It's a very simple thing we did in the class. Does everyone remember this very important thing that we did in the class? Multiplication is repeated addition. Okay, a lot of children did it this way. 4 multiplied by 8, 4 times 8. 8 was 4 times. Other children could have done it as 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Number 8 was added 4 times, or we multiplied 4 by 8. Is that right? Did anyone use any other method?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so multiplication is repeated addition, and we are going to use a lot of multiplication in finding the area, in finding the perimeters. Can we move ahead? I want to do the level 2 of this problem with everyone. Can we move ahead? Any doubt still here? Okay,
No, ma'am.
let's go ahead. Pranav has a doubt. Pranav, what's your doubt?
Ma'am, what did we exactly do all this time? I could not understand.
What happened, Pranav?
I could not.
लेंथ को हमने ऐड किया तो हमारे पास पेरीमीटर बन गया. इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes.
ठीक है. और हमने सेकेंड प्रॉपर्टी क्या की? हमने एरिया सीखा. एरिया कैसे निकालते हैं? हम लेंथ को ब्रेड से मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. अगर लेंथ और ब्रेड इक्वल है तो वो स्क्वायर हो जाएगा. अगर लेंथ और ब्रेड डिफरेंट है तो वो रेक्टेंगल हो जाएगा. इन बोथ द केसेस यू हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई लेंथ बाय ब्रेड. कैन वी मूव अहेड नाउ?
And you were saying that if this. Yes.
Okay.
Chalo. I am going to start with level 2 now. Yes. Now we have the level 2 of the same squares. What I'm going to do now is you have to find the area for me, and the dimensions are big now. The numbers are, we are going to start with small numbers and then move on to big numbers. The numbers are 40 multiplied by 50. We have to find the area. If you know the area, you can type it in the chat box. 40 multiplied by 50. Atharv says 2000. You have to write the units also, square units. Atharv and Mishka says 2000.
100.
Sia says 200. Sia, are you sure it will be 200? You can check the number of zeros. Tejas, 2000 square units. 2000 centimeter square. 2000. Okay. 2000 square units. Yes. 2000 square units. Okay. So we have different answers. All the answers, the correct answer is 2000 square units. We multiply 40 by 50. We get the answer to be 2000. And when we write the complete answer is 2000 square units. Okay. You can use this and the previous game to find different areas. Okay.
I have one question here.
Yes.
Someone wrote the answer 2000 centimeter squares.
Yes. Yes.
You should be careful. If the units are not given, then you have to write only units. Because if centimeter was written there, then you can say 2000 centimeter square. Otherwise, you have to say square units because you don't know whether it's centimeter, meter, millimeter, or whatever it is. Okay, so you have to be careful with the units.
Yes.
Okay. So should we move to the next activity? Any doubts still here? Okay.
So now the next activity is, here we have a garden. Okay, this is a garden, the first garden, and someone wanted to plant some vegetables here. Okay, this is the first garden and someone wanted to plant some vegetables here, and its dimensions are also given. It's 6 meter and 10 meter. So he wanted to fence that garden. Okay, he wanted to fence the boundaries of that garden. That means these boundaries. So can anyone tell me what will be the total length of that fencing? If we have this rectangle, what will be the total length? You can send the answers in your chat. Okay, Tejas has answered 32.
32 meters. Okay.
32 meters.
We have one answer to be 32 meters. We have to find the boundaries, the length of the fence required.
Yes. Athar's answers was also 32 meter.
Krishank 32. Krishank, you need to write the units as well. Pranav and Achyut have raised their hands. Pranav, yes, tell us. Achyut, I'll come to you after this.
32, 32. Okay. So here we can see that everyone is answering it as 32 meters. because if this is 10 meter, then that means this is also 10 meter. And if this side is 6, then this side is also 6. And we have to find the total length of the boundaries. So we just have to add all the 4 dimensions, right? Am I right here?
Yeah.
Now in the next rectangle, we can see the dimensions are same, but the person thought that on this side he should build a wall. Okay, he built a wall on this side because there was a danger of animals on this side. So he thought कि मैं इस side पर wall ही एक build कर देता हूँ. तो उन्होंने यहाँ पर wall build कर दी और अब उन्हें ये find करना है कि जो 3 sides रह गई हैं except that wall, तो अब उसके लिए अगर उन्हें फेंसिंग करना है तो कितनी लेंथ ऑफ फेंसिंग चाहिए, उनको टोटल कितनी लेंथ की रोप चाहिए फेंसिंग, अगर उन्होंने इस साइड पर वॉल को बिल्ड कर दिया है तो.
We have 22 as one answer. 22 meters. 22 meters. Okay, everyone else. Wall is on one side. You have to find the length of fencing on all the other 3 sides. 32 minus 6, 26. Very nice, Tejas. Who else? If you have a different answer, you can type it in the chat also. And I have a question. Simran ma'am, can I ask my question?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So I just have one question for everyone. Okay. If you know the answer and you have a reason for it, don't do the guesswork. I want to know what will be the area of garden number 1 and garden number 2. Will they be different or will they be the same because of the wall? You have to tell me the area and will they be the same or will they be different? Okay? If you know the answer, you can raise your hand as well. I'll come to everyone one by one. Pranam says 26. Yes. Mishka has said something. Mishka has also said 26. Yes, Sia, what's your answer?
Ma'am, I think the answer of the first garden is 60.
Okay. 60
And
meters square.
And these two are not different.
Not different. So can I say the area of both the gardens will be same, 60 meters square?
What?
Can I say that the area of both the gardens will be 60 meters squares?
Yes.
Okay. And when you say the area, you just can't say 60. You'll have to say 60 meter squares. The unit is in, the dimensions are in meters. So you say 60 meters square. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Anyone has a different answer? Okay. So that means everyone agrees that the areas of both the gardens will be same because wall से सिर्फ perimeter change हुआ है, area तो वही है ना, rectangle तो वही है, तो हमारे पास area तो same ही रहेगा. 60 meter square is the area of first rectangle and 60 meter square is the area of second garden, rectangular garden as well. Can we move to the third picture now? Yes, Tejas, you are right.
We can see that the areas of both the rectangular fields was same, but perimeters were different, right? We got different perimeter in the first one. What was the perimeter of the first field? It was 32. It was 32 because 10 plus 10 is 20 and 20 plus 12 was 32. But here Tejas said that in the second rectangle, the answer, the perimeter was 26. But let me clear this. The wall was on this side. Okay, I hope Tejas is listening to me. So the wall was on this side. That means 6 meters, 6 meters and 10 meters. So if you add 6 plus 10 plus 6, what will be the answer here?
22.
Or 22? 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, the answer will be 22. It won't be 26 because we will not subtract 6 from it. We will subtract 10 from it because this wall had 10 meters length. Okay. So now the third thing. Now we have one more field, this field, and you can see it has different dimensions. We have 6 meters here, 10 meters, 11 meters, 5 meters. And on these two sides, we have wall. So my first question is you have to find the total length of the boundaries to be fenced. Okay, the length of boundaries to be fenced. That means this 5 meter, 11 meter, 10 meter, and 6 meter. That's it. We won't count these two boundaries because we are finding the perimeter. We are finding the length of these sides which will be fenced. Okay, we are getting some answers here. Okay, 32, 21, 22. Okay, so what do you think? How will you find it? Will you add? You added 6, 10, 11, and 5. If you add all of these sides, the answer was 6 plus 10 is 16. 16 plus 11 is 27, and 27 plus 5 is 32. Am I right here? The correct answer was 32. Right? Now, we will talk about area also. How can we find the area of this part, this whole field? Can anyone discuss it with us? How will you find the area? How will you find the area?
I think we should multiply 5 into 11 and then add plus 10 into 6.
Okay, we have to multiply 5, 11 and then
we have to multiply.
we have to multiply what? Will be multiplied?
We should multiply 5 and 6 and then multiply 11 and 10 and then just add it. It will be there.
Okay, so I'm getting some answers here. So now I'll help you all to find the space covered by this field. How can we do it? We can see that this whole figure, this whole image can be divided in two figures. We can divide this image in two parts, with this figure in two parts. If I draw a line here, then we can see that we have a rectangle also. We have this rectangle. Just give me a second. We have one rectangle here in this part and we have a square here. Am I right? We have two figures in this field. We can find the area of rectangle also. We can find the area of square also. But we should be careful with the dimensions. Look at this figure very closely. ये पूरी जो लेंथ है, ये वाली साइड, ये 11 है, राइट? दैट मीन्स ये पूरा का पूरा साइड 11 है, बट इस साइड पर ये सिर्फ 6 है. दैट मीन्स अगर हम सिर्फ यहां तक काउंट करेंगे, इट विल बी 6 meters, राइट? द टोटल वाज 11, बट व्हेन आई हैव टू सी द रेक्टेंगुलर पोर्शन ओनली, इट विल बी 6. और अगर टोटल 11 था, तो आपको क्या लगता है स्क्वायर का ये वाला एरिया कितना होगा? क्या लेंथ होगी स्क्वायर के इस वाले एरिया, इस वाले बाउंड्री की?
And 5.
Right, because total it was 11, right? It was 11. If 6 is this, then 5 is this. And if this is 5, then this is also 5 because this is a square. और ये 5 है, तो ये भी 5. Now you can find the area of square. Area.
Ma'am, I don't understand.
Yeah, I'll explain it again. See, we were talking about two figures. देखो यहाँ पे टू फिगर्स है ना? इस पूरी एक फिगर को हमने टू पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया. वन इज दिस स्क्वायर एंड द अदर वन इज रेक्टेंगल. ठीक है? इफ दिस साइड इज 6 meter, दैट मीन्स उनके ऑपोजिट साइड भी 6 meter होगी बिकॉज रेक्टेंगल्स हैव ऑपोजिट साइड्स एंड ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर इक्वल.
Yes, ma'am.
So if that is 6, then this is also 6. इतनी बात क्लियर है? अब ये टोटल, ये पूरा जो टोटल साइड था वो 11 था. So 11 में से 6 तो इन्होंने ही कवर कर लिया. So what is 11 minus 6?
Ma'am, 11 minus 6 is 5.
Right. That means this portion will be 5 meters.
Yes.
Yes. And this is a square. So if this is 5, this will also be 5. And अगर ये 5 है तो ये भी 5 होगा. So we can find the area of this square. The area will be 25 meter square. 25 yes. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. This is done. Now we will see rectangular portion. ये 6 meter है, ये भी 6 meter है. एंड ये 10 मीटर है, तो ये टोटल कितना होगा? ये भी 10 मीटर होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
That means 10 multiplied by 6 will be 60 meter square. Any doubt till here? Anyone? If someone has any doubt, you can ask me.
Ma'am, we have to then add these all.
Yes. Now we have to add the areas of square and rectangle. That means 25 plus 60, and it will be equal to 85 meter square. That means अगर हमें इस एरिया, इस पूरे स्पेस का एरिया फाइंड करना है, इस रीजन का एरिया फाइंड करना है, we will divide the region in 2 parts or more than 2 parts also. Okay, 2 से ज्यादा parts भी हो सकते हैं, but we have to make it in the shape of a rectangle and a square, and then we will find the areas one by one and add them together. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we have done area and perimeter till now. हमने ये फाइंड किया कि अगर हमें एक फिगर गिवन है, उसके पेरीमीटर फाइंड करना है, तो हम कैसे करेंगे? हम बाउंड्रीज को ऐड कर देंगे. अगर हमें ये फाइंड करना है कि एरिया कैसे, हम किसी भी फिगर का एरिया कैसे फाइंड कर सकते हैं, वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई द 2 साइड्स. इतना क्लियर है? ओके, नाउ अपूर्वा
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
will tell us about the next activity. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's begin. I'll just open. Yes, so we are done with this. We have also done this. Okay, let's come to this one now. We have 2 L-shaped parks here. Okay, I am talking about only about the first park right now. I want all of you to find the perimeter of the first L-shaped park for me. First L-shaped park का perimeter निकाल के you can tell me the answers in chat box. Remember that we have to find the perimeter, so the answer will be in meters. यहाँ पर meters given है. Square meters will not be the correct units. Okay, let's see who gets it first.
And you have to be careful with the dimensions also. ठीक है, dimensions को बिल्कुल ध्यान से देख के फिर perimeter find करो. Okay, Tejas has answered it. 15 plus 10 plus 20 plus 6 is equal to 51 meter. And then we have 24 meters. Five, 51, okay. Mishka 51. 56 Tejas. 51, 56 meter. So we are getting 2 answers here. It's 51 meter and 56 meter.
I think everyone has answered. So should I tell the correct answer? Everyone ready? Okay. Tell me one thing. I just wrote some of the dimensions. You did not check the dimensions for other parts. Let me tell you now. When we started with, let me change. Yes. When we started with, let's say I'm going to begin with 20. Okay. I am done for 20. I start with 20. 20 plus 6 is 26. That is right. 26 plus 15 you've added, and then you've added 10, which turns out to be 51 meters. Is that right, Simran?
Yes.
Right? Now, when I talk about this part and this part, some people added only one of the boundaries. Some people forgot to add even that. Now we have new answers, 72 and 67. When I talk about this boundary, this small part, how do I find the length of this? ठीक है, अब हम ये निकालेंगे. Because this total length is 15, यहाँ से हमें पता चलेगा अगर ये 15 है तो ये length भी 15 हो जाएगी, this red highlighted part. So that means the remaining part will be 5 meters. Is that right? When I say only this part is 5 meters, तो ये भी 5 हो जाएगा. That means we add 5 meters to 51, which becomes 56. That is correct. In the last part, you had to add the length of this last red boundary also, this one. How do we find the length of this? Because we know this length is 10, so this length will also be 10, equal parts. ये 10 हो जाएगा हमारे पास. 56 plus 10 is 66, and then because this is 6, so this is also 6. यहाँ पर 6 हो गया. हमने 10 पहले ऐड किया था और 6 और ऐड कर रहे हैं. 66 plus 6, 72 meters. Is that right? Did everyone got the answer? 72. Now you understood क्या मिस्टेक हुई थी सबसे? मैम ने कुछ डायमेंशंस लिखे थे, बाकी नहीं लिखे थे. When I said that we had to find the perimeter, that means आपको सारी लेंथ्स ऐड करनी होंगी. मैम just did a small trick and then everyone got confused. Did you understand what we have to do now? Can you do the same for second rectangular park now? I think it's much easier. Second rectangular park. Perimeter find करना है. Let's see who gets it correctly this time. Pranav says 40. Okay. Pranav says 24 now. Arna says 40. Okay. Let's see. Then everyone answers what we can get. Make sure you are adding the dimensions correctly and you are adding all the dimensions. Maybe some dimensions are still missing. I haven't written it here. Yes?
Can I again write my answer?
Yes, Arna, you can write again. If you know the other answer, you can write it. We'll discuss all the answers.
Ma'am, I did not understand.
Okay, Mishka did not understand. Mishka, what we have to do is, we have to find the total sum of all the boundaries. This is 9, okay? Then we know this is 8, right? So you add 9 plus 8, 2 boundaries we have added. Then you add this boundary, which is 4. We add this. Then you add this boundary, which is 3, because we know this as well. Now, you don't know these 2 boundaries. This boundary and this boundary. So you will have to find the length of these 2 boundaries and then add them as well, okay? Look at the picture and try to find it. Did you understand now? Got it? Okay, let's see if we have more answers. Tejas says yes. Tejas says 34. Tejas have added 9 plus 8 plus 4. Is he correct? Okay. Pranav says 34. Sia says 42. Okay. Arna has given 3 answers, 40 or 24 or 34. Arna, answer to ek hi hoga. Pranav says 34. A lot of kids have answered 34. Does anyone want to give a different answer? Mishka also says 34 now. If anyone has different answers, we can check that. Should I discuss? Sia says 42 now. Okay. I'm going to discuss the answer now. Okay, let's begin with the boundaries which are already given to us. I start with 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. All of us know that. 17 plus 4 is 21. We know that. 21 plus 3 is 24. We know that. Right now till here the answer is 24. Now we have to add these two lengths जो मैम ने ग्रीन में हाईलाइट किए हैं. ठीक है, अब हम इसकी लेंथ कैसे निकालेंगे? Because we know this length is 4, so this is also going to be 4. ठीक है, ये भी
we measure it.
yes, you measure it. Okay. Okay, 54, 34, 42. Yes, I am discussing the answer. Let's see what is the correct answer. This is 4 because this is also 4. ठीक है, ये total length 9 है और हमारे पास ये length जो part हुई ये बन गई 4. तो 9 minus 4 क्या हो जाएगा? 5. That means this green length is 5 meters. ठीक है, तो हमने अभी तक आंसर निकाला था 24. 24 प्लस 5 कर देंगे तो हमारे पास आंसर आ जाएगा 29. अब हमारे पास 29 आंसर आ गया. अब हमें बस एक लास्ट बाउंड्री निकालनी है विच इज दिस बाउंड्री, दिस हाईलाइटेड बाउंड्री. ठीक है, ये कैसे निकालेंगे? बिकॉज वी नो दिस लेंथ इज 3, सो दिस इज ऑल्सो गोइंग टू बी 3. कैन आई से दैट? ठीक है, सामने है, पैरेलल पार्ट्स हैं, इक्वल पार्ट्स हैं. दिस इज 3 रेक्टेंगल के लिए, तो ये भी 3 है ऑपोजिट साइड, ये 3 है, तो 8 माइनस 3 क्या हो जाएगा हमारे पास? 8 माइनस 3 विल बी 5. दिस इज 5, so this is also 5. We had found the answer to be 29 और अब हम और 5 ऐड कर देंगे तो 29 plus 5 हो जाएगा 34. Is that okay? If anyone has a doubt, we can explain it again. Anyone has a doubt? The correct answer is 34. Should we move ahead? Should we move ahead? Okay. Now what we are going to do is we are going to discuss some word problems. I'll not tell you what we have to find, the perimeter or the area. Maybe you have to find both of them. Maybe you have to find only one of them. You'll have to read the problem. I'll read the problem for you and let's see who gets it correctly. Okay. We'll find if everyone has understood it correctly or not. Okay. Only then we can move ahead, right?
Some difficulty in the last activity.
What?
Using her hand, she has some difficulty.
Who is Arna?
Yes.
Yes, Arna. Yes, Anna, tell us.
I did not understand how it became 34.
Okay, you did not understand how it became 34. I am going back and I am going to start again. Anna, did you understand till 29 or should I begin?
Until 29.
Okay, you understood till 29. Okay, so I am directly writing 29 here. The only boundary that we need to find now is this part, the blue highlighted part. ठीक है आरना? अब हमारे पास आरना ये पूरी लेंथ 9 है. ठीक है, ये तो क्लियर है ना? यहाँ तक 9 है हमारे पास पूरी लेंथ. ठीक है, अब हमने क्या किया, क्योंकि ये 4 लेंथ है तो क्या मैम बोल सकती हैं कि ये जो रेड वाला लेंथ है ये भी 4 हो जाएगा, क्योंकि वो ऑपोजिट है, रेक्टेंगल के इक्वल पार्ट से. ये 4 लेंथ है तो वो भी 4 हो जाएगा, ये जो रेड वाला पार्ट है. अगर आरना ये 4 है तो 9 माइनस 4 क्या हो जाएगा आरना?
9 minus 4 is 5.
5. ठीक है, हमने यहाँ से ऐसे जैसे 5 निकाला था इसी तरीके से हम ये वाली बाउंड्री निकालेंगे. ठीक है आरना, अब मैम ग्रीन से मार्क कर रही हैं. ठीक है, अब देखो अगर ये लेंथ 3 है हमारे पास तो क्या मैं बोल सकती हूँ ये लेंथ भी 3 होगी, दोनों ग्रीन वाली लेंथ 3 हो जाएंगी. कैन आई से दैट? ठीक है, और आरना अगर मैं 8 माइनस 3 करूंगी तो क्या आ जाएगा हमारे पास आंसर? 5. ठीक है, 8 माइनस 3 हो जाएगा 5. आरना अगर ये 5 है तो ये वाली लेंथ भी 5 हो जाएगी. कैन आई से दैट? ठीक है, हमने 29 निकाल लिया था और ये लास्ट ब्लू लेंथ ऐड करनी थी, तो 29 प्लस 5 करेंगे तो आरना आंसर 34 आ जाएगा. कैन आई से दैट? ठीक है,
Yes, ma'am.
चलो अब हम आगे बढ़े. कैन वी मूव अहेड नाउ? चलो लेट्स मूव अहेड. The next question is, let's see what's the next question. Oh, we have the rabbit question here. I'm going to read it for everyone. Let's see what we have to do. Dusty is building a rectangular house for his pet rabbit. the house measures 15 meters by 5 meters. Okay, I'm going to make a sample here. The rectangular house might look something like this, जिसमें एक side जो है वो 5 meters है, the other dimension is 15 meters. Dusty is building this rectangular house for his rabbit. Okay, now what we have to do is, how much fence does he need for the rabbit house safety? हमें फेंस कितनी चाहिए होगी? फेंस का मतलब ये हो गया कि हमारे पास बाउंड्रीज पर कितनी होगी. हमारे पास 2 लेंथ है 15 और third length है 5. What will be the answer? I want the answers with units, the correct units. Let's see who gets it. In the chat box, please. Okay, we have some answers. We have answer from Pranav, Sia, 40 meters, 40 meters. Who else? Arna 40. Arna units also. Mishka 40. Who else? Tejas, Achyut, Arihant, Atharv. Okay, very nice. 40 meters, correct. Arna 40 meters, nice, correct. Okay, 40 meters, Arihant. We just can't write only 40. Athar 40 meters. So that means Dusty will need 40 meters as the length of fence required for his rabbit house. Krishank, that's correct. Okay. Now my second question is, how much space will the rabbit have to run and have fun around in? जो rabbit का house बनेगा उसके पास कितना space होगा वहां पर घूमने के लिए? तो प्रणव बोल रहा है कि हमारे पास स्पेस हो जाएगा 10 meters. प्रणव 10 meters कैसे आएगा आंसर?
Ma'am, because we have 15 meters of backyard and 15 meters we use 5 meters for a house. So
नहीं,
the answer will be 10. So
नहीं,
15 minus 10.
Pranav,
So 15 minus 5 equals 10.
Okay, okay. Pranav, I think you got a little confused. हमारे पास बैकयार्ड 15 meters नहीं है, हमारे पास एक लेंथ 15 meters है उस रेक्टेंगुलर हाउस की, और दूसरी लेंथ जो है वो 5 meters है. ठीक है, रेक्टेंगुलर हाउस जैसे मैम ने बोर्ड में बनाया है ग्रीन कलर का, तो हमारे पास एक लेंथ 5 है, एक 15 है. सो वी मल्टीप्लाई टू फाइंड द एरिया. Arna says 5, Tejas says 75 square meters. Yes, Tejas, that's correct. 15 multiplied by 5. Who else?
This is also confusing.
Okay.
The one I write with
Arna, it's okay. You can write the answer again. 75 square meters. Full answers, please. 75 square meters. Yes. Yes, correct. Next. 15 multiplied by 5. 75 square meters was the area. 40 meters was the perimeter. Did everyone understand? अगर डस्टी का जो रैबिट हाउस है वो ऐसा दिखता है, हमें उसकी फेंसिंग करनी है तो हम पेरीमीटर्स निकालेंगे, और डस्टी के रैबिट को अगर स्पेस चाहिए फन करने के लिए, इधर घूमने के लिए, तो हम स्पेस कवर्ड निकालेंगे, which is calculated using the area. 15 multiplied by 5, which is 75 square meters. Can we move ahead? Okay, Simran ma'am, you can share your screen. We'll do 2 more questions.
Okay. So let's do this question now. The question here is, do 2 rectangles with the same area have same perimeter? You have to think and answer. क्या 2 rectangles जिनका area same है, उनका perimeter भी same होगा? Think of it and then answer. You can raise your hands and then explain it to us if you want.
Ma'am, how did we do that?
You have to think, you have to take any example. Suppose let's take the second example. Here we have the example is also given. You have to draw two rectangles. Okay, आप दो rectangles बनाओ जिनका area 8 centimeter square हो. दोनों rectangles but उनके areas 8 centimeter 8 square centimeter और 8 square centimeter ही हो, और लेकिन वो different rectangles हो. इनका मतलब उनकी dimensions different होनी चाहिए. आपको सोचना है और बताना है कोई टू रेक्टेंगल्स जिनका एरिया सेम, एरिया 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर, लेकिन पेरीमीटर डिफरेंट होगा. ओके, वी आर गेटिंग सम आंसर्स हियर. नो. ओके, सो वी आर
Arna says no. Mishka, no. Sia, no. Tejas, no. Okay, all those who are saying no, they also need to have a reason. If you have an answer in yes, you also need to have a reason. Okay, Sia was the first one to say. So Sia, can you tell us your reason? Why do you think the answer will be no?
Ma'am, because if we choose 8 meters and 5 meters, so we can also do it like 8 meters are on the front and back, and the 5 meters are on the right and left. And we can also do like the 8 meters are on the right and left, and the 5 meters are on the front and back.
Okay,
So,
okay.
anyone else who wants to answer the same question? Why you said no for this? Are you trying this question that you had to make two rectangles with the area of 8 square centimeter?
Ma'am?
Two different rectangles? Yes.
Ma'am, then we would have no space left. The area would cover all the space.
The
Okay.
area would cover all the space. You are right. The area will cover all the space. But the question here is कि दोनों रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर और 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ही है. ठीक है, अब आपने ये सोचना है, सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट चीज जो सोचने वाली यहाँ पे है वो ये है कि आप कैसे टू डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स बना सकते हो जिनका एरिया 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर ही हो. कौन से वो टू रेक्टेंगल्स हो सकते हैं जिनका एरिया 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर हो, बट वो डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स होंगे, उनके डायमेंशंस जो है वो डिफरेंट होंगे.
Simran ma'am, can you annotate or can you enable the option for me?
No, I will do it.
Okay.
See, you can see here, I am drawing a small rectangle here. Okay, this is a rectangle. मैंने आपको ये बोला कि टू रेक्टेंगल्स बनाइए जो जिनके एरिया जो है वो डिफरेंट हो, राइट, जिनका एरिया सेम हो. सॉरी. सो हम एक तो एग्जांपल ये ले सकते हैं, हम 8 कैसे बना सकते हैं. अगर हमारे पास one side 2 हो and the other side is 4, then 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. ऐसे बन सकता है एक एरिया. और कैसे बन सकता है, अगर हमारे पास एक साइड 1 है और अनदर साइड 8 है, तब भी 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर बन सकता है. बन सकता है. और कोई वे है जिससे हम 8 फाइंड कर सकते हैं कि हमारा एरिया 8 हो जाए. एक तो ये है कि हम डायमेंशंस 2 and 4 लिखे कि यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 4 है. ओके, यस आरना. What? Can you please repeat?
Ma'am, I said 4 2s are 8.
4 2s are 8. Okay, 4 2s are 8 हम ये भी बोल सकते हैं, बट यहाँ पे 2 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4 भी हो गया, तो 4 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 2 सेम थिंग, क्योंकि हमें लेंथ एंड ब्रेथ देखना है. लेकिन आपका आंसर ठीक था. ओके, वी आर गेटिंग वन मोर आंसर. ओके, नो. ठीक है, तो देखो हम यहीं से एग्जांपल देते हैं कि हमने टू डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स बनाने थे जिनका एरिया 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर होता. तो यहाँ पे मैंने टू डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स बनाए जिनका एरिया 8 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर है, राइट. What?
Can I show?
Yes, you can show yours also. Okay, you are saying yes. You did the same thing. Very nice. 2 multiplied by 4 and 1 multiplied by 8. अब यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन ये था कि एरियाज तो इनके सेम है, बट हमें चेक करना था क्या उनके पेरीमीटर्स भी सेम है. सो फर्स्ट वी विल फाइंड द पेरीमीटर ऑफ दिस रेक्टेंगल. 2 2 4 and 4. What will be the perimeter of this first rectangle?
Ma'am,
10 or 12?
10 or 12? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. And then 12. That means 12 meter. And what will be the perimeter of this rectangle? 1, 8,
18.
1, 8. 18 meter?
18.
यस सो हमें यहाँ पे बिल्कुल क्लियरली नजर आ रहा है कि ये जो 2 रेक्टेंगल्स थे इनके एरियाज तो सेम थे. एरिया दोनों का 8 मीटर स्क्वायर 8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर 8 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर था. बट इन दोनों के पेरीमीटर्स जो है 12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर 12 सेंटीमीटर एंड 18 सेंटीमीटर आया. इज दैट क्लियर टू एवरीवन?
So that means कि
Yes,
कभी
ma'am.
हमें एरिया अगर सेम गिवन भी है तो जरूरी नहीं है कि पेरीमीटर सेम होगा. ठीक है, पेरीमीटर कैन बी डिफरेंट. दो शेप्स हो सकती हैं जिनके एरिया सेम होंगे. दोनों का एरिया लेट्स से 10 है 10 है, पर दोनों के पेरीमीटर्स अलग हो सकते हैं. एंड वी क्लियरली कुड फाइंड वन एग्जांपल. नाउ वी हैव वन मोर क्वेश्चन. ओके, वी हैव टू ड्रॉ 3 डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स जिसमें तीनों रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया 12 square centimeter. Pranav, just 1 minute, okay? We have the area of all the 3 rectangles to be 12 square centimeter. The perimeter is different. तीनों का perimeter निकालना है. So you draw 3 rectangles in your notebook जिसमें तीनों का area will be 12. ठीक है? So you see 12 कैसे कैसे बना सकते हैं और उसके बाद तीनों का perimeter निकालना है. Yes, Pranav, what's your question? Pranav, you are on mute.
Because 8 plus 8 is 16 and 2 plus 2 is 4, so 16 plus 4 is 20, so the answer will be 20.
Oh, I think he confused the 2 rectangles, right?
यस
Yeah. प्रणव, 2 जो था वो एक रेक्टेंगल का डायमेंशन था, 8 एक अदर रेक्टेंगल का डायमेंशन था. ठीक है,
डायमेंशंस थे 2 and 4 एंड दूसरे रेक्टेंगल के थे 1 and 8. आप एक काम करो प्रणव, आप नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ट्राई करो जिसके अंदर आपको 3 डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स बनाने हैं और उन 3 डिफरेंट रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया 12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर है. ओके, 12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर एरिया है 3 रेक्टेंगल्स का, डिफरेंट डायमेंशंस, एंड देन फाइंड द पेरीमीटर्स ऑफ दैट एरिया. सबसे पहले तो आप ये फाइंड करो कि वो 3 रेक्टेंगल्स कौन से होंगे जिनका एरिया 12 सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर.
I think we can give them one example.
ओके, श्योर.
You can make one rectangle, you give one example, and they should find the other 2 rectangles. The first rectangle is of the sides 4 and 3. 4 multiplied by 3 is 12, so that is one way to make the rectangle of area 12 square centimeter. Okay, you have to find all the 2 rectangles. Perimeter तीनों का निकालना है.
Okay. First, you have to tell
Ma'am?
the dimensions. Yes.
6 multiplied by 2 and 12 multiplied by 1.
Okay. So, Arna said this, na?
Sia.
Yeah. Okay. So 3 multiplied by 4, I gave this, and then Sia said 6 multiplied by 2, and there was one more answer, 12 multiplied by 1.
And those are the 3 possibilities of making a rectangle with the area 12 square centimeter. Now Sia has told everyone the 3 possibilities. I want the perimeters of all the 3 rectangles. Let's see who gets it first. All the 3 perimeters. Let's see. For 3 multiplied by 4, 6 multiplied by 2, 12 multiplied by 1. Very quickly.
What will be the perimeters of these dimensions?
Perimeters के लिए you'll have to add the length of all the 4 boundaries. Just a reminder. Mishka, 7 centimeter. Are you sure? Have you added all the 4 boundaries? I think you just added 2 of them in the first case. All the 4 boundaries, है ना?
To add all the boundaries, na? That means if this is 4, this is also 4, this is 3, then this is also 3.
7 centimeter is only half the perimeter. We have, yes, Athar, 14. In the first case, the answer will be 14.
Ma'am, answer will be 14, the next answer will be 16.
Okay.
The answer will be 16.
Right.
And the third will be 20.
Right.
The third answer will be
26.
24. Tejas, you are saying 14. Please check again.
She
The
said
third one,
26.
12 and 1. Okay. I got the answer 16 also. Are you sure? Then 14. Okay. So the
Ma'am,
first one whose dimensions were 3 and 4, the perimeter was 14 centimeter. If we had a rectangle whose dimensions were 6 and 2, the perimeter was 16 centimeter. And the third one was 12 and 1, its perimeter was 26 centimeter.
तो सब लोगों ने अभी आंसर्स निकाले, कुछ लोग अभी निकाल रहे हैं, ठीक है। अब देखो यहाँ पर इंटरेस्टिंग बात क्या है, हमारे पास तीनों रेक्टेंगल्स का एरिया जो था वो 12 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर था, ठीक है। एरिया तो हमें पता चल गया, लेकिन अगर हमें फेंसिंग करनी है तो वी फाउंड द डिफरेंट वेज टू फाइंड द पेरीमीटर, ठीक है। एक रेक्टेंगल है उसका पेरीमीटर 14 आ रहा है, दूसरे रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर 16 आ रहा है, तीसरे रेक्टेंगल का पेरीमीटर 26 आ रहा है, ठीक है। I have one last question for today. If I have to purchase fence for this rectangular space from the market, which fence will be the most cheapest one? The cheapest one. सबसे ज्यादा कम पैसे किसमें लगेंगे मेरे लिए? If I have to buy it from the market.
ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, 3 multiplied by 4.
3 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 4, क्योंकि पेरीमीटर सबसे कम है तो मेरी फेंस सबसे कम लगेगी, ठीक है। और फिर हमारे पास जो फेंस की कॉस्ट आएगी सबसे कम आएगी फर्स्ट रेक्टेंगल के केस में, ठीक है। नाउ व्हाई डिड आई आस्क दिस क्वेश्चन? इफ आई हैव टू बिल्ड अ किचन गार्डन फॉर माई सेल्फ, और लेट्स से इफ आई हैव टू पुट फेंस अराउंड माई किचन गार्डन, if I have to put fence around a park, so I need to find the cost also, okay। I can't spend money everywhere. I'll have to decide, okay, mama gave you the responsibility, okay Arna, you have to go to the market and you have to buy the fence, so you'll go for the cheapest option, right, in which you'll save money and then you'll be able to protect your garden as well. Now questions like this definitely come in the exam and it's very important. You'll become very smart when you are also able to take decisions. We discussed 2 examples in which area was same but perimeters were different. I have one food for thought for everyone. I am not going to answer this question, not Simran ma'am is going to answer, okay? You can talk to us after the workshop. You can tell us, you can email the answers to us, you can call us, message us. If I have the same perimeter of two rectangles, is it possible that their areas will also be same or will their areas be different? What will be the case? अभी हमने area same रखा तो we got different perimeters. Now I am saying perimeter is same, so will the area be same or different? I want the answers with examples. If you want to answer it right now, you can. I am not going to tell you the answer right now, okay? Tejas knows the answer. Yes, Tejas.
Ma'am, yes, they will be same.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
In every case?
I'm not so sure.
So you need to be sure with all the examples. You can try. I'm very happy with your confidence, but you need to tell us an example so that everyone believes, okay, Tejas is very right when he says that.
Ma'am, can you tell the question again?
The question is, Sia, if I have two shapes जिनका perimeter same है, तो क्या उनका area भी same होगा? Pranav has a question face. Pranav, what's your answer? I don't know how to understand your expression. Oh, he's doing.
Ma'am, I don't know what we did in the last question.
What we did in the last question. Okay, let's do it again. Okay, Simran ma'am, can you share your screen again?
Okay.